Hey, oh, hey, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Michi. I am back at it again with another YouTube video. Oh my god, it's been such a long time since I've been on YouTube due to me turning up for the spring break. I should have filmed. I know, do not choke me out. I should have filmed me when I was at, damn it, bitch, what was I doing? Oh, I was in Texas for spring break and I should have filmed, but I didn't. So I'm sorry and I apologize. But I love y'all. So don't bash me in the comments. Today, I am going to be doing a review over this bob, okay? Zoop, 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 okay? Look, when I move, it flows, and that's exactly how it should be. So today, I'm going to be doing a review over this bob, and yeah, but by the way, it didn't really used to look like this because it was longer than this, but I decided to cut it because I was like, okay, I kind of want to shorter than this. It was kind of more like right here, so I ended up cutting it. So I am going to show you guys some before and after clips, and I'm going to insert them right here. This is what it looked like before, and I know it was looking dingy, and then this is what it looked like after. So yes, if you guys want to know where I got this hair from, who sent it to me, and girl, how did I slay this? Okay, make sure you guys stay tuned. And oh wait, hold on. Like and subscribe, hoes. You know I didn't, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Michi Gang for life. And yeah, let's get started. The hair doesn't give me no problems. It's really no shedding like that. It doesn't shed at all. When I got the hair, it came in this little pretty package. I lost it. Sorry. My mom came in here and she cleaned up my room and she was throwing boxes away. So ma, stop touching stuff. But yes, it came in this pretty package. The hair smells really, really good. I didn't have to wash it. Usually I have to wash my some of the frontals and bundles that get sent to me because it stinks. Okay, but with this hair, I didn't have to wash it. I mean, I really, really love this hair company. Girl, I might just order for them for my prom, okay? By the way, I'm gonna be performing in the baby concert, and I will be wearing this hair at my performance. You guys, YouTube family, I didn't tell y'all, but I got a song that comes out, and I will be opening up for the baby. Okay, I did not tell y'all, but that's gonna be a whole other video. And I will be vlogging, but I will be wearing this hair at my show. I mean, not my show, the baby show, okay? Michi, it's not always about you. Sorry. I will be wearing this at the show, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for this. But like I said, I really love this hair. This company go hard, okay? This company haven't even topped any company that I've ever worked with. I love this so much, man. They make me feel like you know what I'm saying? I look like Halle Berry or something. Beyonce, you have nothing on me. I really, really love this hair a lot. Like, I'm gonna say, I just want to give a special shout out to this hair company because y'all did a wonderful job, okay? Keep your customers satisfied, okay? So, you other companies, y'all better tighten up because this right here, tighten up because they is coming for y'all, okay? This company got their foot on all the other companies' necks, okay? I really love this hair a lot. I mean, I just can't even give it over the fact on how good this hair looks on me. I didn't even think I could pull this off. I'm sorry. All right, you know what? I need to cut it out. Why I feel like I look like that girl off Set It Off, okay? Jada Pinkett, boo. Twins. We're twins. But yes, I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out this hair company. Everything about this hair will be linked in the description, okay? Y'all know how it goes. And I'm going to insert some pictures that I took of this hair, or no, a video clip, because I didn't take no pictures yet, but I'm about to. I'm gonna insert some video clips of me with the hair right there. Yes, your girl looks bomb. Beyonce, I'm right here, cousin, huh? But yes, I really love this hair company so much, and I want to say thank you guys so much for sending me this hair. Love you guys so much, and better yet, next time. Mwah.